Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about product of vectors. We are in exercise 5C. Some students have recently requested to make the video. So that is the reason I decided I already kept 5A, 5B important questions in product of vectors and addition of vectors also. So you can utilize the students. Those who are watching first time, please do subscribe and like this video and share to your friends. Let us have a discussion. The first question here. Compute box of I bar minus j bar minus k bar minus I bar. So box of three vectors, how to write? So box of three vectors is a determinant of three vectors making. See, box of in the solution, box of I bar minus j bar minus k bar minus I bar is equal to that of, in this first vector I, j, k is not available. So I bar coefficient 1, the components 1, j bar components minus 1, k bar component is 0. It is not there. In the second vector, I bar coefficient component is not there. So I bar is not there means the component is 0. J bar component is 1. K bar component is minus 1. Come to the third vector. In this I, j, k, I is available, j is not available. I coefficient is minus 1. So minus 1. J bar is not there means that value is 0. And k bar. K bar coefficient we are going to write. After that 3 by 3 determinant, how we are going to expand, that is the way we can do it, dear students. So plus, minus, plus, in this way we are going to expand that. So in that way we can do it. 1 into 1 minus 0, minus or minus. So minus into minus 1 plus 1 into 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So next plus 0 into anything is 0, no need to write. So which is equal to 1 into 1, 1 into minus 1 plus 0. So box of a given value equal to 0. Now come to the question number 2. Here you need to know about one important relation, dear students, important result. A bar dot B bar cross C bar. 1 dot 1 cross, wherever it is there, it is equal to box of ABC. You keep in mind, dear students. Here A bar B bar cross B bar. A bar dot B bar cross C bar. This is equal to box of A bar B bar C bar. Now how to write the box of A bar B bar C bar? In the previous question we discussed it. We wrote that. So that means in the first row A bar information we need to write. In second row B bar information. In third row C bar information. So A bar values here we have. I bar, J bar, K bar coefficients we need to write. So I bar coefficient is 1, minus 2, minus 3. Next 2, 1, minus 1. Next 1, 3, minus 2. So after that we need to do the procedure of 3 by 3 determinant, plus, minus, plus, so which is equal to 1 into minus 2 plus 3, minus 2 plus 3, minus into minus 2 plus 2, into minus 4 plus 1. Next, plus into minus 3 into 6 minus 1. So which is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 4 plus 1, minus 3. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 into minus 3, minus 15. So which is equal to 1 minus 21, which is equal to minus 20. So this is the way we can do it, dear students. We'll move on to another set of questions. See here, they are asking to find ABC vectors are provided, vector tribe it is. So point form it is given, we can convert into the vector form. I bar minus A bar minus 6K bar. I bar minus 3J bar plus 4K bar. 2I bar minus 5J bar plus 3K bar. So, first A bar dot B bar cross C bar. That means what? So, in the solution step, first given vectors A bar, B bar, C bar are given points also, we can write vector tribes. So, first one is A bar dot B bar cross C bar. What I said? This is equal to box of ABC I said. So, which is equal to box of ABC means determinant of ABC. So, 1 minus 1 minus 6, 1 minus 3, 4, 2 minus 5, 3. Here plus, here minus, here plus. So, expand, that is equal to 1 into minus 9 plus 20. Minus into minus 1 plus 1, 3 minus 8, minus 6 into minus 5 plus 6. So 20 minus 9, 11, 3 minus 8, minus 5, 6 minus 5, 1, 1 into minus 6. So which is equal to 0. So box of the first question here, A bar dot B bar cross C bar. That answer is equal to 0. Now come to A bar cross B bar cross C bar and A bar cross B bar cross C bar. First A bar cross B bar I will calculate, after that B bar cross C bar. Next remaining will calculate. Now A bar cross B bar. While calculating A bar cross B bar, the first row fill with I, J, K, which are plus minus plus. Okay. In second row and third row, A bar B bar coefficients, you write it. A bar means what? 1 minus 1 minus 6. B bar 1 minus 3, 4. So we need to simplify. I into minus 4 minus 18. Next minus J into 4 minus of minus 6, 4 plus 6, K bar into minus 3 plus 1. So which is equal to minus 22I, 6 minus 4, 2, 2 into minus, minus 2J, minus 2K. This is about A bar cross B bar. Similarly, B bar cross C bar also we will do it. B bar cross C bar and B bar cross C bar. So in that I, J, K, B and C. What is B? 1 minus 3, 4. C. 2 minus 5, 3. So which is equal to I into minus 9 plus 20 minus J into 3 minus 8 plus K into minus 5 plus 6, 11I minus 5 minus J plus 5J plus 1K. 6 minus 5, 1k. So after that, A bar cross, B bar cross, C bar. So first question is over. Now question number 2 in that. A bar cross, B bar cross, C bar. So again, I, J, K, plus minus plus. A bar, 1 minus 1 minus 6. B bar cross C bar. Here we have 11, 5, 1. 11, 5, 1. So I into minus 1 plus 30. Minus 1 plus 30. Next minus J bar into 1 minus of minus 1 plus 66. Next plus K bar into 5 minus of minus 11. 5 plus 11. So which is equal to 30 minus 29i. 66 plus 1 67 minus 67j plus 16k. So this is about A bar cross, B bar cross, C bar. Now the third one, A bar cross, B bar cross, C bar. So I, J, K. A bar cross B bar, we have that minus 22, minus 2, minus 2 and 11, 5, 1, sorry, C bar value, no? C bar 2 minus 5, 3, which is equal to I minus 6, minus 10, minus j, so minus 66 plus 4 plus k into 5 to the 10, so 110 plus 4. Right, that is equal to minus 16i minus into minus plus will come 66 or 4 62 plus 62z plus 114k. So this is about A bar cross, B bar cross, C bar. I hope you understand, students. All the questions, the 3 questions will cover. It may comes 4 marks question. Yeah, dear students, here minus J bar into 1 into 4 plus 4. Here previously I wrote minus. Next minus of minus 6 plus 6. So 10 will come here. So based on that, next K bar also will check minus 3 plus 1. Minus 2, that is okay. So wherever it comes, the value will change. A bar cross B bar. So minus 22i minus 10j. So here minus 10 into 3 minus 30 so minus 40i. Next minus 66 plus 4, that is okay. Next come to here minus 11 plus 110 plus 30 plus 20. So 130, dear students. Now I got clarity on this. I hope you understand that. See here, simplify the following. These type of questions we may expect for 2 marks. A bar cross B bar dot C bar. See, first question, if you observe that, it is in this form. A bar cross B bar dot C bar. If you observe the second one, A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Both are equal to box of ABC. You remember, dear students? While writing this table, whenever one cross, one dot is there in this product of vectors, you can consider box of ABC. But according to the order only you can take it now. Now first question I am solving now here. So first question, this one. I minus 2j plus 3k cross 2I plus j minus k dot j plus k is equal to box of this vector, box of, so these vectors I am writing, my I minus 2j plus 3k, next 2I plus j minus k and j plus k. Okay. Now whenever box of ABC, you know that how to write the determinant of this one. So first vector components 1 minus 2 3, 2 1 minus 1. In the third vector, I component is not there, 0 1 1. So plus minus plus. We know that how to expand, which is equal to 1 into 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1. Minus into minus is plus 2 into 2 minus 0 plus 3 into 2 minus 0. So which is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6. So 12 is the first question answer. Come to the second one. Second one is 2I minus 3j plus k dot I minus j plus 2k cross 2I plus j plus k. So which is equal to box of these vectors. So 2I minus 3j plus k, I minus j plus 2k, 2I plus j plus k. So which is equal to determinant of 2 minus 3 plus 1, 1 minus 1, 2. So 2, 1, 1. So this is the way. So it is plus, minus, plus. So which is equal to 2 into minus 1, so minus 2, minus of minus 3, minus into minus plus 3, into 1 minus 4, next plus 1 into 1 minus of minus 2, so which is equal to minus 3 into 2 minus 6, minus 3 into 3 minus 9, 2 plus 1 3, so which is equal to minus 15 plus 3, that is equal to minus 12. So this is the way we can do that box of ABC model based. So which is related to box of ABC questions. We may expect a 2 marks question in the public exam. Find the volume of parallelepiped having coterminous edges I bar plus j bar plus k bar, I bar minus j bar and I bar plus 2j bar minus k bar. See, this is the way it is given. First, in the solution step, let a bar equal to I plus j plus k, b bar equal to I minus j. C bar equal to I plus 2j minus k. A bar, B bar, C bar. The volume of the parallelepiped having coterminous edges. The volume of the parallelepiped having coterminous edges A bar, B bar, C bar is, dear students, you remember V equal to A bar dot B bar cross C bar. It indicates box of ABC. So to get a volume, what we need to do that? That is box of ABC you can calculate. So that is equal to mod determinant A bar vector 1 1 1 B bar 1 minus 1 K bar not there means 0 1 2 minus 1 plus minus plus. So we can expand now. 1 into 1 minus 0 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 0 plus 1 into 2 minus of minus 1, 2 plus 1. Okay. So 1 plus 1 plus 3, that is equal to 5. Okay, students. Therefore, conclusion statement. The volume of the parallelepiped whose cone having coterminous edges is V equal to box of ABC is equal to 5 units. Whatever it is given units, so that you can write it. Now come to another question now. In this, find T which the vectors are coplanar. Here we have the formula. Here I am writing. We know that A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar. Then box of A bar, B bar, C bar value goes to be 0. So here, according to the question, A bar, B bar and C bar it is given. So here, A bar equal to 2I minus 3j plus k. B bar equal to I plus 2j minus 3k. And C bar equal to j minus tk. Since A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar, then box of A bar, B bar, C bar is equal to 0. That is, In A bar vector, take components 2, minus 3, 1. B bar 1, 2 and minus 3. And third one 0, J, 1, K value minus T. So plus, minus, plus is equal to 0. Now we will simplify. So 2 into minus 2t plus 3 minus into minus plus 3 into minus t plus 0. So plus 1 into 1 minus 0 is equal to 0. So that implies that minus 4t plus 6 minus 3t plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies minus 70 plus 7 equal to 0. That implies 70 is equal to 7. That implies t equal to 1. I hope you understand this, friends. So when the vectors are coplanar, so box of ABC is equal to 0. This is the way proper steps you write it, dear students. You will get good impression to the examiner. Here the next question, question number 7. For non-coplanar vectors A bar, B bar, C bar, determine P for which the vectors are coplanar. Here A bar, B bar and C bar are non-coplanar. So given A bar, B bar and C bar are non-coplanar. So means what? Then box of A bar, B bar, C bar is not equal to 0. Non-coplanar vectors. But the given vectors are coplanar. And given that, so one vector is given here. This is small letters I am taking. L bar equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. M bar equal to A bar plus PB bar plus 2C bar. And N bar equal to minus A bar plus B bar plus C bar. These vectors L bar, M bar, N bar are coplanar. Whenever three vectors are coplanar, they box L bar, M bar, N bar is equal to 0. That is, box of element means what? Determinant of. First these vectors you write it here. A bar, B bar and C bar. A bar, PB bar and 2C bar. Next N bar minus A bar plus B bar means the values only I am writing, and C bar is equal to 0. But in this A bar, B bar, C bar is there, no? So box of ABC, we are taking common A bar, B bar, C bar from respective rows or columns. We write it as like this. Their A bar coefficient is 1, B bar coefficient is 1 and C bar coefficient is 1. A bar coefficient is 1, B bar coefficient is P and C bar coefficient is 2. Next, A bar coefficient is -1, B bar coefficient is 1 and C bar coefficient is 1. Directly also we can write, dear students, like this. Instead of writing this step, directly we can write it. Since ABC are non-coplanar, this value is anyway not equal to 0. Since box of A bar, B bar, C bar is not equal to 0. What should be 0? Obviously, this value goes to be 0. That implies here plus, minus, plus. Expansion. 1 into P minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 minus of minus 2. Plus 1 into 1 minus of minus P plus P equal to 0. So here P minus 2 minus 3, 2 plus 1, 3. So 1 plus P. So P plus P, 2P, minus 2 minus 3, minus 5 plus 1, so minus 4. So that implies 2P equal to 4, P equal to 2. So the value of P is equal to 2. I hope you understand. I'll move on to the another question. The next question. Determine lambda for which the volume of a parallelepiped having coterminous edges I bar plus j bar, 3I bar minus j bar plus 3j bar plus lambda k bar is 16 cubic units. See, first step up, this is, it may chances to ask either 2 or 4 marks. So given coterminous edges, coterminous edges of parallelepiped coterminous edges of parallelepiped or one is, you can take A bar, B bar, C bar like this. So A bar equal to I plus J, B bar equal to 3I minus J, and C bar equal to 3J plus lambda K. Given volume of the parallelepiped with the coterminous edges, with the coterminous edges, A bar, B bar and C bar is 16 cubic units. This is the way you can write it, dear students. That is volume V equal to box of A bar, B bar, C bar is equal to 16. That implies box of A bar, B bar, C bar. A bar indicates I bar plus J bar. So K bar is not there. So I in place of I bar, 1 I bar coefficient, J bar coefficient and K bar coefficient is not there. So next B bar coefficient, 3 minus 1, K bar is not there, 0. Next in the third vector, I bar coefficient is not there. J bar coefficient is 3. K bar coefficient is lambda is equal to 16. Now how to expand this, we know that. So that implies that 1 into minus lambda minus 0 minus 1 into 3 lambda minus 0 plus 0 is equal to 16. So that implies minus lambda minus 3 lambda minus 4 lambda is equal to 16. That implies, if you take as modulus, this is modulus always. So 4 lambda is equal to 16. 4 ones, 4 fours. So that implies lambda equal to plus or minus 4. Otherwise, mod lambda you can take. This question number 9 is very important, dear students. 2 marks question we may expect is very important. Either 2 or 4, but generally 2 marks only they will ask. Find the volume of the tetrahedron having the edges. Given edges, you can give the names A bar, B bar, C bar like. So A bar equal to I plus J plus K. B bar equal to I minus J. C bar equal to I plus 2J plus K. What is the volume of the tetrahedron? The volume of the next step. The volume of tetrahedron is equal to V equal to 1 by 6 box of mod box of A bar, B bar, C bar. So 1 by 6. Box of ABC we know that now. A bar coefficients we write it. That means components of I, J, K. 1, 1, 1. In B bar 1 minus 1, 0. In C bar 1, 2, 1. How to expand we know that plus minus plus. 1 by 6 into 1 into minus 1 minus 0. Minus 1 into 1 minus 0. Next plus 1 into 2 minus of minus 1 plus 1. So 1 by 6 minus 1 plus 3. 3 into 1. Okay. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So ultimately the answer is 1 by 6. Volume means cubic units. I hope you understand it. So for writing the edges and writing formula 1 mark and getting answer 1 mark. 2 marks question they make chances to ask. Now come to the question. Let A bar, B bar and C bar non-coplanar vectors. So in the solution first step you write it. Given A bar, B bar, C bar are non-coplanar. Whenever it is non-coplanar, what happens? Then box of A bar, B bar, C bar is not equal to 0. Keep in mind. And after that, what vectors provided? Alpha equal to, beta equal to, again I am not writing here. They are asking to find box of ABC. So box of alpha, beta, gamma. So box of alpha, beta, gamma means what? Determinant of alpha bar, beta bar, gamma bar. Alpha bar, first row you write it. While writing alpha, beta, gamma containing A bar, B bar, C bar non-coplanar vectors, no? So we cannot write it here. You take it as box of ABC aside and their coefficients only write it here. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 minus 2, 3, 0 minus 7. Again we need to expand like 3 by 3. So which is equal to 1 minus 7 minus 0 minus 2 into minus 14 plus 6 plus 3 into 0 minus 3 into box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Anyway, this is not equal to 0. So minus 7 minus 14 plus 6 minus 8. Minus 8 into minus 2 plus 16 minus 9. 9 7 also 16. So minus 16 plus 16. So 0 into anything is 0 only, no? Since it is not equal to 0, but this value is 0. So therefore, the box of alpha bar, beta bar, gamma bar is equal to Answer 0. We'll move to the another question, dear students. So this type of question also they may chances to ask A, B, C, B non-coplanar. So given first given A bar, B bar, C bar are non-coplanar. So then box of A bar, B bar, C bar is not equal to 0. Next, box of this value is given. That implies first you write it in the exam, you write it this statement. Modulus of A bar, B bar, C bar coefficients you need to write, dear students. In the previous question also we wrote in that way. A bar, B bar, C bar coefficients, that means components. So 2 minus 1, 3, 1, 1 minus 2, 1, 1 minus 3 is equal to lambda times of box of ABC. So that implies, so 2 into minus 3 plus 2 minus into minus plus 1 into minus 3 plus 2, next plus 3 into 1 minus 1, which is equal to lambda times. These two will be, we are taking common and it should not be equal to 0, we mentioned there. So minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 2 minus this minus 1. So 0 is equal to lambda. That implies minus 3 is equal to lambda. So lambda value we got it as minus 3. Here also similarly ABC or non-coplanar means again we need to write here given for second question also A bar, B bar, C bar or non-coplanar. Then box of A bar, B bar, C bar is not equal to 0. So after that this is given. Box of A bar coefficient, B bar coefficient, C bar is not there, 0. Next in second vector, A bar coefficient is not there, B bar is there, C bar is there. Next third vector, A bar coefficient is 1, B bar not there and C bar coefficient is 5. And box of A bar, B bar, C bar take common is equal to lambda times of box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Now it should be the expanding plus minus plus 1 into 5 into 2, 10 minus 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 1 plus 0 into 0 minus 2 is equal to lambda. So 10 plus 2, 0. So that implies 12 is equal to lambda. So these type of questions we may expect in 2 marks question, dear students. We'll move on to the another question. If A bar, B bar, C bar are non-coplanar vectors, then find the value. So here observe, dear students, this is one vector, this is another vector, this is third vector. So among these three in the numerator, among the three, one vector dot another two vectors of cross product. One dot, one cross is there means what? It is equal to box of the vectors. So, and also condition they provided. What condition they provided? ABC given A bar, B bar, C bar are non-coplanar. Vectors. Then box of A bar, B bar, C bar is not equal to 0. So numerator, first A bar plus 2B bar minus C bar dot A bar minus B bar cross A bar minus B bar minus C bar whole divided by box of A bar, B bar, C bar, which is equal to box of this value. Box of this value means you can take as a determinant in the numerator. A bar, B bar, C bar components, you write it and take it out box of ABC. So in the first vector, A bar, B bar, C bar coefficients 1, 2, minus 1. In the second vector, 1, minus 1, 0. In third vector, 1, minus 1, minus 1. Whole divided by box of A bar, B bar, C bar. You can cancel them. Only you can find out the determinant. Plus, minus, plus. So 1 into 1 minus 0 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 0 means 0. So the value of given is equal to 3. We will move on to the another question. See here, if A bar, B bar, C bar are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. See here, the figure will come like this, suggestions. Suppose if you take this is A bar vector, this is B bar, this is C bar. So B bar, C bar vectors are there. Now this is indirectly, this is A bar, this is mutually perpendicular to this one and as well as this one. So mutually perpendicular. Box of ABC that can be written as A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Box of ABC equal to A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So what is the meaning of A bar dot B bar cross C bar? Whatever they mentioned here are mutually perpendicular to unit vectors. Unit vectors given mod A, mod B, mod C all are equal to unit vectors, dear students. A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Take modulus A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So modulus of A bar mutually perpendicular means angle between these two also B bar cross C bar. Modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar cross C bar, cross product of two vectors. Mod B bar into mod C bar into sine of angle between B bar comma C bar. Angle between B bar comma C bar is 90 degrees, we know that. And here perpendicular vector will come. For these two perpendicular vector is A bar into A bar or A cap also there. Since A bar is normal vector and perpendicular to both B and C, perpendicular to both B and C. So mod A bar, first as it is we are writing, mod B value 1, mod C value also 1, sine 90 to 1. Here A cap you write it, dear students, A cap. Mod A value is also 1, you write it. So sine 91, so A cap we are getting. A cap means A bar by modulus of A bar. So box of ABC, squaring on both sides, box of ABC whole square. So this value is equal to A bar by mod A only now. Since A bar is equal to 1 means A bar, the determinant value 1. Why? Because unit vector. So A bar square. What is A bar value? 1 again. So therefore, the value of box of A bar, B bar, C bar whole square equal to 1. I hope you understand it, students. We will move on to the another question. This is a conceptual question. Yeah. Here, A bar, B bar, C bar are non-zero vectors and A bar is perpendicular to both B bar and D bar. And first, given information you write it, dear students. Mod A bar equal to 2, mod B bar equal to 3 and mod C bar equal to 4. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar equal to. So A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So here modulus is there. So modulus of and one more condition, A bar is perpendicular to B bar and A bar is perpendicular to C bar. This condition. Whenever A is perpendicular to B bar and A is perpendicular to C bar, B bar cross C bar is parallel to this one. So that time mod A bar into mod B bar cross C bar into cos of angle between A bar comma B bar cross C bar. This value goes to be 0. Angle between them that time. Angle between them is 0 degrees. So mod A bar mod B bar into mod C bar into sine B bar comma C bar and this cos 0 value. Mod A value is given as 2, mod B value given as 3, mod C value given as 4, sine 2 pi by 3, cos 0 value 1. So 2 3 is 6, so 6 was 24 into sine 2 pi by 3, sine of pi minus pi by 3, sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 3 means what? 60 degrees. So 12 root 3. Therefore, the value of determinant of box of A bar, B bar, C bar value 12 root 3. I hope you understand it, friends. We'll move on to the next question now. Yeah, the next question. If A bar, B bar, C bar are unit coplanar vectors, given A bar, B bar, C bar are unit coplanar vectors, then box of A bar, B bar, C bar equal to 0. Now consider box of 2A minus B, 2B minus C, 2C minus A. So box of here A bar coefficient, B bar coefficient, C bar coefficient not there. Next in second vector, A bar coefficient not there, 2 minus 1. The third one minus 1, 0, 2. Box of A, B, C. So this value 0 means total value 0. But we need to simplify the difference. So 2 into 4 minus 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 0 into box of A bar, B bar, C bar. So 8 minus 1 plus 0. So 7 times Whenever box of A bar B bar C bar value 0, any value goes to be 0. So therefore the given this value box of 2A minus B, 2B minus C, 2C minus A value goes to be 0. Thank you dear students for watching our channel. Any doubts are there regarding this, you can write in my comment box. In my free time I will say that. Thank you, I will respond surely. So in the exercise 5C, in the first bit, that means first section, it consists of 16 questions, all 16 questions in one video. In the other sections, minimum 3 to 4 videos I will plan. Thank you dear students. Bye. Jai Hind. Maths with Panindra.